Let me show you exactly how to go live on TikTok. There are some limitations for going live on TikTok, but I'll explain those as we go through this process. Let's jump in here to the TikTok app and go to your profile page here. And anywhere on TikTok, if you press the plus sign, a couple of things are gonna happen. You either right here are gonna see camera template and live, or you're not gonna see this live option. Now, the reason why you don't see live is because you need 1,000 followers on this TikTok account, which I'm gonna show you exactly how to get in a second. And there is a workaround. I've seen people with under 1,000 followers have this option as well, but I'll show you how they got it. I don't think it really works, but that is how they got it. I'll show you that at the end too. But here, to go live, all you have to do is give a title here. So you would just type out a title. You would add a topic if you want to add a topic. There's a bunch of topics, but if you don't have one, you could just choose none here. And then you have a bunch of options. Enhance is actually kind of cool because it kind of makes your face a little more smooth. You do have effects though, and all kinds of other things that you could do. And under settings, you could actually turn on live gifting. You do need to be 18 for this option here. And you could turn on comments with some filtering if you like to as well, and then press go live. Now, here's two things. If you don't see live right here, the first thing I recommend is actually trying to get to 1,000 followers. And to do that, I did make a video on exactly how I got 30,000 followers in a day. And it's about how you structure your TikTok videos. So I'll put a link to this video in the description below this one. So make sure you watch this and try to follow this formula because that's the most legit way to get 1,000 followers on TikTok. The other way where I've seen people get this without 1,000 followers is, let's go and press these three dots right here and scroll down to report a problem. Press on that. And there is an option where you could report a problem for live. That's right here. Select that. And you could say right here, hosting live videos, and you could select I can't start it live and tell them you can't start a live video. But these are also the other limitation. TikTok allows users that are 16 to go live, and they have to be 18 to receive those gifts that I show you to turn on. And you do also have to make sure you follow the community guidelines in terms of service, obviously. So you can type in your own feedback here on this page and saying, I can't go live, can you help me? And then pressing report. That is how some people have gotten it, but I don't think this is the way to go about it. I think you should, just because the platform is asking you to get to 1,000 followers, get to 1,000 followers using some of the methods I show in some of my other videos. I hope this helps you go live on TikTok. I'll see you next time.